Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Mazda 6 Classic Sports Hatch. Stock reference number 4355. This shape runs from the 9th month 2002 through to the 1st month 2008. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand rear. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard has one small dent, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has an average tyre. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has 3 small dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the right-hand tail light, right-hand tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear spoiler. Left-hand tailgate garnish, left-hand tail light. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear door appears to have one dent. Right front door has one dent. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.